Hey everybody, welcome back to Cutting Trails. So, winter's here, and sometimes, this is a good time to do projects. So, came across a free bike. There it is. So, it's a little pit bike with a tub of parts. So my son picked it up for me, and it was free. And I said, you know what? Might as well. Kind of always wanted to just goof around on one. Never wanted to spend the money on it, just to goof around on it. So we're going to see if we can rebuild this. And this is going to kind of be a mini series of a restoration or just flip. Maybe I can flip it or something. I've already flipped a moped just in my spare time. So let's see what kind of parts we got with it. So, got some plastics here. More wheels missing hardware. Maybe they're at the bottom of the box. Tires and wheels. Got some wheels, tires. Okay, let's get through this. More of that. All right, nice box here. Oh, what we got here? All right, we got a carburetor. That's good. Good sign. Got a cover here. Let's see. Hey, maybe a little bit of oil for that. Another plate. Another carburetor. Chain, that helps. Grip. Cap. Fuel filter. Alright. Well, so far not too much. We have a bucket full of lights and some fuel hoses, it looks like. See if there's anything in here. Lots of lights. Scrap little hoses. This looks like somebody's little junk drawer. Alright. Spark plugs. Those might be worth saving. Hopefully we can use them as soon as we find the engine. Alright. Oh, it's a good find. We got the fuel tank. That's a plus. Hopefully it's metal, so hopefully not rusted. Exhaust pipe. Another exhaust pipe. You guys think this thing had a dual exhaust? Alright, plastic cover, and we're getting down to the nitty gritty. All right, brake cables and brakes. I have no idea right now. Oh, this is a okay, yeah. So I mean, I don't think that. No way. Are you kidding me? Okay. Wasn't expecting that. I thought that was just someone lost it in there. Alright, so we got our brake. No idea if that works. Alright, there's the chain. Alright, there's that. I don't think. But as you can see, there is no motor. see this. More brakes. Oh, there's the throttle. But looks like unless the throttle clamps on, there's no little piece on the end of that. Looks like a little bit of wiring for the brakes. Okay, more of that. No clue what else is in here. Guys, there is no motor. So, that's not good. All right. So, usually there's a frame number on the bike. Let's see what we got here. So we're gonna have to buy a new motor. Let's find out what this thing used to have. Yeah, there we go. So right here we got some info I'm gonna have to go through to order a motor. Shocks there. Pretty good. And then, oh, right here we got our frame number. So guys, we got a fuel tank, some brakes, brake calipers, stuff like that. And we have a frame, but no motor. So in this series, if you guys want to like, follow, I'm going to be buying the parts as cheap as possible to try and flip this. It was free, so we'll see how much money I save. We'll see if I should have just bought a new one, or if it was worth rebuilding it. So I know that sometimes it's hard to look up some of these parts, unfortunately, but we got a frame number, so we'll start from there. So guys, stay tuned. And short video today, but Amber and I, we got stuff in the works. So we got some trips planned. We're already looking at some rides, some races. But you know, it's the holidays. Happy holidays, everybody. So, on that note, everybody, ride safe. Take care.